Get ready, start. There are people of efficiency, people who are not recognized, who nevertheless discharge their duties efficiently. We want to improve the pace of the administration. We want to democratize our administration. That is the crux of the problem. You cannot have initiative and efficiency until you have our administration democratized. There is bureaucracy, there is soullessness at every point in our administration. I do not know how many of you have talked to the secretaries of the various departments. I have talked to some of the secretaries, but sometimes I feel as if I were talking to the useless persons. One does not see any reaction on their face. I feel that it is a machine that I am talking to. It depresses me, and I am sure many other people also feel depressed. So all these secretaries of these departments have to be democratized, and they should be responsive to criticism and to the wishes of the public. It all depends on how you talk to the public, how you listen to them, what you gather from what the people say. Not that always they say the right things, but sometimes they say very good things, and such things should be properly gathered. This is not done. Therefore, what is of vital importance for us for improving the public administration in our country is to democratize the administration and do away with the bureaucratic cold-bloodedness that exists in our public administration today. That is of vital importance. I stress it again and again because the crux of the problem lies there. Initiative has to be developed at the lower level by entrusting more responsibilities to the lower officials and by giving recognition to their services and also making it easy for them to work. Their conditions of service have to be improved. Their emoluments must be made adequate to make their life worth living. All these things are important for improving our public administration. As far as the public undertakings are concerned, I am totally opposed to the bureaucrats or representatives of the big money being placed in positions of authority in public administration. There are people, no matter to which politics they belong, who are efficient, who are devoted, and who can discharge their functions very ably in all walks of life. You can find people from among the common folk who could be placed in those positions. Sir, life insurance has been nationalized. What do we find there? It is a public undertaking of great importance to the country. There you have got the same people. The old furniture is placed with some sort of rearrangement. Before putting forward a measure of this nature, before Parliament we had given considerable thought to certain aspects of cloth prices as they exist today, and it is only because we felt that this is the only means now open to us which can to some extent act as a deterrent against high prices, and where it fails to do so would be able to absorb the margins of profit that go to the trade and industry that we sought to bring in the measure for the approval of Parliament. Sir, the factual position which has been described in the note might be summarized thus. Stop.